Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Amazon S3. In AWS Amazon Web Services S3. We will talk about S3 in 60 seconds by Sadal, senior network and vSphere administrator and virtual instructor at Nanotekx and virtual instructor at Nanotekx and founder of NetPlus Virtual. Amazon S3 simple storage service is a cloud-based storage like Azure storage, like we can say Google Cloud Storage, okay? And generally we can say cloud storage service offered by Amazon. It allows you to store and retrieve your data over the internet. You can think of it as a virtual storage space where you can save files, documents, images, or videos. Amazon S3 provides secure, scalable, and reliable storage solutions for individuals and businesses, making it easy to store, access, and share your digital content. So Amazon S3, Azure Storage, Google Cloud Storage are what are cloud storage services, okay, provided by different cloud service providers.